Action.
Action! Hello, how are you? What are we doing this evening? Chopstick? We're doing our magic with our chopsticks. Okay. So these are books from our Thomas the Tank Engine collection. The collection has got 68 books and we've put some down on the table. Now let's see if we know which book is which. So, can you show us Jeremy? Jeremy, well done. Can you find... let's start off with Thomas. Where's Thomas? And where's Diesel? Very good. Where is Toby? Very good. And where is Victor? Very good. And where is Donald and Douglas? There you go. And where is Percy? There he is in front of you. And where's Mighty Mac? Where's Hero? Very good. Where's Molly? Where's Haunted Henry? It's Haunted Henry with a ghost. There you go. Who else has a ghost? Arian Bert. Where's Arian Bert? There we go. Okay, show us the ghost. There's the ghost. Are you going to bring it? Not too close. A bit more this way. There's the ghost. Well done. So put it back. Okay, so who was under the sheet that made the ghost? Wasn't Murdoch. Was it Emily? Do we have Emily out? I don't think we have. Okay. Find me Mavis, please. Where's Mavis? And where's Kevin? And where's Elizabeth? Who likes Elizabeth? Mummy likes Elizabeth. And where's Edward? At the far end, yes. And where's Cranky? Yes, that's it. Okay, and one last one. Where is Whiff? No, that's Whiff. Whiff? Okay, then where's Bertie? Well done. And now it's time to go to bed. Can't play more. We've done all the books, haven't we? Say thanks for watching. Let's play some more. Okay. Where is Sir Handel? Take your finger out of your nose. Maybe not. I can't have you picking your nose on the video. Sir Handel. Where is Hank? And where is Billy? And where is Spencer? Yep. And where is Flora? And where is the Fat Controller? And who works with Kevin? Yes, that's Kevin. And who works with Kevin? Victor, well done.